All we do at JW's band is straight up edit shit. Here's a little sneak peek.
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
You underestimate my power.
Don't try it.
But for right now, that's gonna be it, JW's band. Alright, JW's band. It's time to make these fucking omelet. Shit. Damn it. I'm a genius. Fucking damn it. Okay, we're in business. We're good. We are in business. Give me this shit. Fucking damn it. See, growing up in a very suburban household, you don't learn how to cook very well. At least I didn't. Can I use this? I think I can use this, right? I want to say yes, I can. No, it doesn't look too good. Okay. God damn it, Will, you fucking queer. You couldn't put your fucking shit the right way. Okay, we'll use this. Okay. By the way, the music is on repeat, so just you're gonna have to deal with it. Sorry. There we go. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's rice! Oh, dude! Alright, so we're gonna cut this. Actually, hang on. I don't know if I can... I love you, baby. Campbell's the sausage. Yeah, but take this one. Ah, god damn it. Okay, hang on. I think there's a better way to do this, actually. I'm just making it harder for myself. Son of a fucking cunt. How the fuck do people do this? Is that... Great. It doesn't want to fucking work. Unless... You fucking bitch. Trey, I want my fucking tripod back. I guess I have to do this. I'm cutting the tomato and the other stuff. Actually, I have a good song to play in the background. I might get copyright stricken, but hey, who isn't these days? See, if I had tape, it'd be way easier, but I don't, because I'm poor. I'm hungry. Alright, there'll be some big tomato chunks. This fucking song describes me right now. I'm fucking dying. Yeah, bitch! Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna, like, use large fucking chunks of fucking vegetables, because I'm too lazy to cut all this. Ooh. Oh, Jesus Christ. Please, stop! Oh, that's good. Holy shit. Shit. Wait, no, I can't be stupid. Hang on. Ow, motherfucker. You see, every great chef has a pair of sunglasses because when you cut onions, like, you start crying and it's, it hits different, as the kids say. Like, I didn't spend my fucking paycheck just to cry over some fucking onions, damn it. I'm not Squidward, alright? Okay, these pieces are gonna be big too. I really just don't care at this point. That's good and cheap. That's what it tastes like. Alright, nice. Shit, does the oil go in first? Are we good? Okay, we're good. We're gonna put this on 5. I know you can't see anything, but just trust me. Actually, psych, Negro, we're gonna put it on 5.5 because, the strap is loose. God damn it. I'm not, actually, wait. Hang on. I am not, a lefty, but we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna wait for this to get a little hot, and we're gonna pour this delicious brand of unmarked substance because I may have taken off the label. Shit. So yeah. Oh. I'm orgasming in my mouth.
So I can use a little bit more because we're using a lot of
God. Okay, so basically, what I've learned is to clean my fucking room. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're gonna wait a little longer for it to get hot. I'm gonna whip up some eggs. I don't know how to pause this. Alright, so we've got the vegetables cooking. I put in way too much oil, so it got burned a little bit, but it's okay. I got the eggs all whipped up in the bowl. So in 2 minutes, well actually in like a minute, when my phone goes off, then we'll be good to stir in this bitch, make the omelet, and I can eat. And you can watch me, possibly. Alright, JW's band, I did it. It's really hot over here because the pan was,
So what we can do is basically...
Don't make fun of my stutters! So yeah, this was cooking... Wait. Shit. This was, cooking with Josh on this, like, portion. Get it? You get it. Behold, delicious meal. I'm gonna eat it all, and, that's gonna be it.